Hey, welcome back guys. So today on this video, we are talking about Dubsado, and more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question I keep getting a lot on my other video, and that is how do you add a discount code to your Dubsado account? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off guys, real quick video, not too many steps involved, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video. But why would you need to add a discount or a coupon to your Dubsado anyways? Well, that's pretty easy. If you're running an online business, you know that depending on the season or the situation or maybe the group, you're going to offer a discount. Whatever the case is, it's a pretty easy process. It's handled here in your Dubsado account. Check my video description. I'll try to leave the written instructions there as well. But I've already logged into my Dubsado dashboard, and this is the home screen. Now to add a coupon or a discount, it's going to be handled on the invoice level. So first you need to go to the project. After you've chosen the project, go ahead and click into the invoice. After you've opened up the invoice, that's where you can go ahead and add a coupon code. So first here on the left, I'm going to click on projects. After that, I'm going to go ahead and choose one of my projects, this one right here. After that, you're going to see this menu along the top, and you want to click on invoices. Once you do that, go ahead and open up the invoice you want to add a discount or a coupon to. So here we are. So basically, if you look at this invoice, the invoice total is $1,499. So you're going to scroll down after all the line items, and you're going to click on select discount. Okay, so if you're creating a new discount, go ahead and click create new discount. Okay, so here is where you can go ahead and add your coupon or your discount. So first off, go ahead and name it. So for example, if I'm giving my YouTube audience a discount, I'll say YouTube audience discount. Okay, and then the discount type, you can choose a fixed discount or a percentage. For me, I'm going to go ahead and choose fixed. And then the value, let's say it's a $50 discount. You can add a discount code if you want. I'm not going to do that. And then category, let's go ahead and choose it from the marketing services. And maximum number of uses, I'm not going to put that. Expiration date, I don't need to put that either. So I'm going to click save. Okay, so now we have a new discount created, and you can see it added in as a line item, YouTube audience discount, $50. So now if we scroll down, the total is $14.99. However, we have the $50 discount right there, plus the tax. So this is what it ends up being. Now, if I want to remove the discount, let me scroll it to the top. I'm going to close this out. Okay, so now you can see it remove the discount. However, on the next invoice that I create, I can go ahead and select discount, and you can see YouTube audience discount. I can easily just click on it instead of having to recreate that coupon every single time. So there you have it, guys. If you're wondering how to add a coupon or a discount in your Dubsado account, that's the easiest way I know how to do it. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.